Hi dear NewGreenWaveNews TV watchers, we have a story about Sega Jet Rocket, forgotten arcade pioneer. In 1970, Sega introduced a groundbreaking arcade game, Jet Rocket, which laid the foundation for modern gaming. This electromechanical marvel, with no computer or video screen, was the first flight simulator, first-person shooter, and open-world game. Jet Rocket's gameplay was simple, yet thrilling. Players piloted a jet on a night mission, launching rockets at ground targets like fuel depots and missile sites. Hits were marked by flashes of light and explosion sounds, all managed through ingenious mechanical design. Developed for U.S. military bases in Japan, Jet Rocket gained international popularity, was quickly overshadowed by unlicensed clones from Chicago-based companies, impacting Sega's market share. Despite its initial success, the game faded from production as video games took over the arcade scene. The game's mechanics were revolutionary. A scrolling canvas inside a massive cabinet, illuminated by black light, created a 3D reflection that players steered through. Rockets were represented by lights reflected onto a mirrored surface, creating a convincing illusion of flight and combat. Today, Jet Rocket is a rare collector's item, valued for its historical significance and mechanical brilliance. Enthusiasts like Rusty Key cherish these machines, preserving a piece of gaming history that paved the way for the digital era. Jet Rocket remains a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of its time, forgotten pioneer deserving of recognition. For more exciting news and updates, be sure to like and subscribe to NewGreenWaveNews TV. Stay tuned for the more stories about eGame World.